Hello children, welcome back to our maths period. Today we will continue with our chapter probability. So which formula we have to apply to find the probability? Yes, so that is P of E equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Correct? Where P is called as probability, E is a event, and we will use P and E both in capital. Okay, so we will start with our exercise. Question number 1 and 2 we have already completed. We will start with question number 3 now. So question number 3 from 15.1. Refer to example 5 section 14.4. Find the probability that a student of class was born in August. So means what? We have to use a data of 14th chapter over here. In 14th chapter section 14.4 they have given one example, that is question number 5, example 5. The graph is given. We will use that data to find the probability. So find the probability that the student was born in August. So you can see this graph on your page number 247. Refer this graph. Now what is given in this graph? They have given on x-axis the month of birth. So Jan to December all the months are given, and on y-axis they have given the number of students. So what is the meaning of that? You can see over here, for example, a March month. For March month, in March month, how many students are born? 2 students. So if you want to see again here for June month, how many students are born in June month? It is 1. Correct? So now by using this graph, we have to find the probability of students that is who are born in August month. So for that we require to find, yes, the number of students, how many number of students are born in August. You can see over here from the given data. So here this is August. You can see as the number of students, the length of the bar on y-axis you can see that is 6. That means a number of students born in month of August is equal to 6. So the total number of students is 40. How to get this number 40? Just count it. Yes, so here if you want you can see that is the number of students born in Jan is 3, then Feb 4, then March 2, again 2, here 5. So like this way you find it till December month how many students are born in each month, and then add all these values, that is 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 and so on. So you find out till December month, you will get the total student over here as 40. So total number of students are 40. So we have to find the probability. What will be the formula for probability? That is P of E equal to what? The number of favorable outcomes. So you have to write it over here as P of E equal to number of students born in August month upon total number of students. So if you want you can write one more step over here as P of E equal to number of students born in August month upon a number of students born in total number of students. So you have to write that and you will get the answer here as 6 upon 40, which is equal to 3 upon 20. So here denominator is your total. Correct? Yes. So let us see the next example. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. They have given the data over here. Yes, 3 coins, if we toss it simultaneously, that means if all 3 heads we will get, that is 23 times, 2 heads 72 times, 1 head 77 times, and no head is 28 times. So the next question is what? If the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. So we want to find the probability for 2 heads coming up. How many are there? Here 72 times we are getting 2 heads, but that will be your numerator. What will be the denominator? Total. So total will be what? Total frequency is 23 plus 72. So just add it, 23 plus 72 plus 77 plus 28. Yes, which is equal to 200. How I got the direct answer as 200? You can see over here in the question it is given as 200 times. Correct? So your total is 200. How many times you are getting as a 2 head? That is 72 times. So by using that, write the probability. Yes, number of 2 heads coming up is 72, which is given in the table. Total number of times the coins were tossed is 200. So we can write the probability, that is P of 2 heads will come up equal to number of times 2 heads come up upon total number of times the coin were tossed. So which is equal to 72 upon 100 equal to 9 upon 25. Always remember, keep your answer in fraction but reduced form. Don't keep the answer only as 72 upon 200. It will be incomplete. Just convert it into the fraction reduced form, or the next step is convert it into decimal. But if you keep it till here, that is also okay. Okay, so let us continue with the next sum then. Yes, our organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them to determine the relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. Yes, so you can see here the table. First understand the table. So now the table is given as per the person's monthly income, that family's monthly income, which is given here as less than 700, 700 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16, and more than 16,000. Okay, and if their salary income is this, how many vehicles per family have? There may be 10, 160, 25 and 0 is the number of families. So number of vehicles in a family, that is 0. So 0 vehicles, how many families are there? There are 10 family whose salary is less than 7,000. So what is the meaning of 535? 535 means what? And how many 535 families are there in which there is only one vehicle and their salary is in between 10,000 to 13,000. What is the meaning of this 25? 25 means what? They are having more than 2 vehicles and their salary is 13,000 to 16,000. So this is the meaning of this table. Now we have to use this table to find the probability. So first of all, what is required? We require the total number of here families. So total number of families means what? We have to add all the value. Is it correct? So you can see over here, you have to add 10 plus 160 plus 25 plus 0 plus 0 plus 305 plus 27 plus 2 plus 1 plus 535 plus 29 plus 1 plus 2 plus 469 plus 59 plus 25 plus 1 plus 579 plus 82 plus 88, so that you will get the answer. If you add it, you will get the answer as 2,400. Yes, so and in the question also they have given, you can reorganization selected 2,400 families, correct, but show it in a addition form. Okay, so total number of families we got it. Now let us see the first question. Okay, I will just keep the table as it is. First one, and the number of families earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. Yes, so it is 29. Just look at the table and understand what is given. 13,000, 10,000 to 13,000 means this one, correct, and the having exactly 2 vehicles. So it is nothing but here. So how many are there? There are two vehicles in 29 families whose earning is in between 10,000 to 13,000. So what will be your probability in that case? The probability will be what? The total number of families will be your denominator. Numerator will be a number of families whose income is in between 10,000 to 13,000 and having exactly two vehicles. So we can write it over here as P of E. P of E, or you can take P of E1 is equal to, the numerator will be 29 upon total, that is 2400. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. So this is the first part. See the second part. A number of families earning 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. So can you see the table once again? More than 16,000. So this is a part. Yes. And having exactly one vehicle, that is 579. So you are getting the answer as what? 579. There are 579 families who are having only one vehicle and their earning is more than 16,000 and more. So what will be your probability will become? P of E2 is equal to 579 upon 2400. So it is 579 upon 2400. See the third part. Number of families earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So again look at the table. Yes, the less than 7,000. This column, and with zero vehicle. They don't have any vehicle. So how many families are there? 10. So what will be your probability? So probability will become as 10 upon 2400. Reduce it, it will be 1 upon 240. Okay, so these are the answers. I will write once again these all the answers. Look at here. Wait a minute. Yes, so here your first answer you are getting P of E1 is equal to 29 upon 2400. P of E2 equal to 579 upon 2400. And the third one, P of E3 equal to, that is 10 upon 2400. 0 cancel, that is 1 upon 240. So these are the three answers. Just copy these answers. Yes. So only these fractions are required. Wherever you can reduce it and write the answer. So this is the first three parts. Two more questions are asked in this. So let us continue with this. Now see the next one. For the same table, the fourth question is asked, number of families earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than two vehicles. Now again look at the table. A salary is 13,000 to 16,000. This column, and having more than two vehicles, that is equal to 25. Correct? So what will be your probability in that case? That will be P of E4 is equal to 25 by 2400. Now if you want, you can reduce and find the answer. Yes, so the next part is number of families owning not more than one vehicle. This is a very important question. Look at here. A number of families owning not more than one vehicle. So number of vehicle not more than one. That means it can be 1 or 0. So we have to add these all the values. So which are those? With 0 vehicle, 10, 0, 1, 2, 1, 160, 305, 535, 469, 579. So add these all the values and you are getting the total as 2062. So that you will get the probability over here as P5 equal to 2062 upon 2400. If you want, you can reduce and find the answer. Yes, the reduced form, you can do it yourself. Okay, so here we are completed with this question. Yes, see the next one. A teacher wants to analyze the performance of two sections of a students in a mathematics test for of 100 marks. Looking at their performance, she found that a few students got under 20 marks and few got 70 marks or above. So, she decided to group them into the intervals of varying the size follows as 0 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. Then she formed the following table. Yes, this question you can see it is not given in the textbook. Again, for that what we have to do, you have to refer the table 14.7 from 14th chapter. Just refer the 14.7 table which is given in page number 251. You will get this question. Okay, so which is that table? The table is given as a marks as first column as a classes and the number of students. So what is the meaning of this table? That is, there are 10 students whose marks are in between 30 to 40. There are 15 students who scored the marks in between 60 to 70. There are 7 students whose score is 20 less than 20. 20 is not included because 20 will be considered in the next class. It will be less than 20. Now let us see the question. What we want to find? Yes, find the probability that the students obtain less than 20% in the mathematics test and find the probability that the student obtain marks is 60 or above. So first of all, you can see over here the 20% and less. So less than 20 means what? Here how many students are who scored less than 20? That is 7. So out of how many? Total is 90. So what will be your probability? Probability will be, that is P of E1 is equal to number of students who scored less than 20%, that is 7, upon total number of students, that is 7 upon 90. Similarly, the second part, find the probability that the students obtain marks 60 or above. Yes, so 60 or above means what? A number is what? 15 plus 8. Correct? So 15 plus 8 is 23. So it will become as 23 upon 90. So you will get the second answer, P of E2 equal to 23 by 90. Okay, so just look at here. The total number of students equal to 90. First part, the number of students getting less than 20% marks in a test equal to 7. So what will be the probability? We will write the probability over here as 7 upon 90. Second part is number of students obtained marks 60 or above. Hence we will find the how many students are there. We got it now, that is 23. So in first case we will write it as 7 upon 90. And in second case, so answer is 23 by 90. So here we will write it as P of E1 value equal to 7 upon 90. And here P of E2 equal to 23 by 90. So we got both the answers. So here we are completed few questions from probability. Now the remaining one we will see in the next period. Till that, thank you so much.